welcome. That's probably that. What is going on, guys? It is late at night, 11 o'clock. It's time for me to shut down my shop for the night. But before I shut down the shop, I had a urgent call for a tire service. It's only 15 minutes away from my shop, so I went ahead and took that call, and now I'm en route to take care of this customer. They're in a 2016 gray Chevy Impala. They're like west of I-75 on this street, so I'm gonna try getting to this customer and help them out with their tire situation. So we'll see what we got. Alright, so I am here. How's it going? You doing alright? Besides this? That looks really rough.
Oh yeah. They say it's dry rotted.
Yeah, it's dry rotted. What was that?
My mom said I want to see what really going on with it.
Yeah, it's... Hello, ma'am. This is Mike with Mike's Independent Services. I'm looking at the flat tire and everything. It looks like it got too dry rotted to where it shredded apart.
Oh, okay, because I don't drive it out there.
Yeah.
I don't drive it out there. So I just have to get some more tires, you think?
Yes, ma'am.
4 more or just that?
Let me look at the other ones. Let's see. I would say it's just that one because... No, just the 2 in the rear.
2 in the rear? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, dear. So it's all now. Can we get the car home?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to put the spare tire on, and he should be good to go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
My name's Taiwan. That's my friend Cody.
Tyrone, Cody. Nice to meet y'all. If I can, get a signature real quick, and I'll get right on it. I passed by like 3 Byron police officers on the way here. I was like, dang, they're out here today. Alright. Get this in. There you go. Alright. Go ahead, get my gloves on. Move that out of my way.
My motorcycle, my mama buy it. I wouldn't be worried about these guys. Go by my baby. They ain't doing nothing. That's the problem.
I'm gonna make sure there's air in this tire. Nope, it's a little low. It's not a little low.
I ain't feeling it until I got right here. And I we ain't getting nowhere with that little bitty shit.
Yeah, I know, right?
We ain't getting nowhere with that, bro. You gotta be. We ain't getting nowhere.
It always says I have a big ass jack, right?
Oh, yeah.
He's trying to slide.
Nigga just go home and everything. Get it. What is that? I don't like
One pump.
no more got to
I don't know, I usually buy my tires online. And then I just go to Walmart and have them mount and balance. And put this in the car. And it's mostly not a good idea to use this kind of jack here when your vehicle is kind of on a slope, because if you're trying to jack up the vehicle and you get high enough, that jack is going to buckle and bend, and your vehicle is going to drop and it's going to cause damage. There we go. Alright. There you go. Whoop, I didn't even tighten that down. There you go. Alright, let me get myself cleaned up. I need some information and you're good to go. I forgot to mark myself as here. Let's see. On camera. I love it when people start moving over. Alright. And all I need is the mileage of the vehicle, and you're good to go. Oh, wow. Let's press. There you go. 156 425. Alright, you're good to go. Alright. Now I'll just stick here. I need to get the accurate location for dispatch. Alright. Let's do this. I don't want walking. Driving. Hey. Oop, there you go. There you go. Is he gonna go? So I let dispatch know where my location is, accurate miles, because they said it's an 8-mile trip when it's actually not an 8-mile trip. But I let them know I'm waiting for them to pull out. I got his spare tire filled up and put on and everything, so everything's all good. They're back up in operating order. And so once they pull out, I'll pull out and they should be good to go. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. God bless.